What's up everybody, Brandon here. I'm excited to be your XR Elite guide. Whether you're looking to set up your headset or optimize your XR experience, I'm here to help. We want to make sure your XR journey is as smooth as possible, and I'm here to provide any support you need. And if you have any questions that we haven't addressed yet, feel free to drop them in the comments and we'll get right on it. Let's dive in and explore all the amazing possibilities of the XR Elite together. If you're having any issues with your XR Elite face gasket coming loose, I've got a helpful tip for you. When attaching the gasket to your headset, firmly press it against the device and push down until you hear a click. That should give the gasket a firmer hold and prevent it from slipping off during use. Check it out. Now let me show you how to attach the top strap to your VIVE XR Elite. Take the headset arms and attach the top strap to the left side like this. And do the same for the right side. Once both sides are attached, you can reattach the battery cradle. Keep in mind that attaching the top strap is optional, but it can definitely make extended XR experiences more comfortable. Now we're going to set up your VIVE XR Elite using your phone. Paul, can you toss me my phone? It's fine. You don't actually need your phone. Setting up your VIVE XR Elite for the first time is easy, and you can skip using the Vive Manager app if you want. Just long press the power button on the left side of your headset to start the setup process. After, you'll be prompted to go through a series of steps like adjusting your diopters, IPD, and set up your Wi-Fi, which will be done inside the XR Elite headset. If you've been having to reset your play space often, here's a quick fix. Once you've set up your play space, either simply restart the VIVE XR Elite or let the headset fall asleep, and this will allow the device to save your play space to your headset. It's that easy. That's all the tips we have for you today. Now go out there and immerse yourself in the endless possibilities of the VIVE XR Elite. And while you're at it, don't forget to smash that subscribe button like Paul smashed my phone so you don't miss out on any future tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and happy exploring.